Okay, here, sorry, I'm fixing the camera. Here I have a spray, these empty, it comes with two, but it's a spray bottle. And you can fill it with oil or skin toner, liquid here, and like spray my areas. And yeah, I'll definitely be using this. This is great. Anything you want, or like even body oil to spray your body so it's easier. But I already pre-filled this one with water, and we're gonna see the spray. Oh wow. It's very fine mist. And it's very easy to like click. It's not, you're not struggling with it, and it's small. I have a small hand, so it's like good if you have a small hand. But yeah, and you can easily just take off, twist it, take off, refill, and put it back on. So it's very convenient. Definitely gonna be using this for like, I have some thing for like dark spots, and I'm gonna put the